Now here subtracting. So the first one is, so what is, if we subtract 1.15 from 7.368. So what we have to do? First we have to arrange the decimals. How? 7.368. Arrange the decimals. Then after that 1 point, first point we have to write point. So before point 1 is there, 1 we have to write, then after that 1 5. Okay. Now we have to subtract. How to subtract? Add up with zeros. Here we have 3 places, here we have 2 places, 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. It means we keep 1 0, we add 1 0. Add with 0 means add with zeros. Then, so these two things over. First what we have to arrange, then after that pad with zeros. How many zeros we need to make into like fraction, that zeros we have to add. Then after that subtract. We have to subtract. Then 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And after that point. 7 minus 1 is 6. This is the difference. 6.218. Okay, this is the difference. This is minuend, this is subtihend. Minuend, subtihend and difference. Then this is minuend, this is subtihend, this is difference. Okay. Now check by adding. So whether your answer is correct or not, so we have to check by adding. How to check? First we have to take difference. What is the difference here? 6.218. So we have to take a difference first, then after that subtihend we have to take. So what is the subtihend? First we have to take decimal point and 1 before 1 is there, 150 after, 150. This is subtihend. Now you add 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 1 7, 7.368, 7.368. This is minuend. So in this way, after, so we have to check after our difference. So how to check? So we have to add difference and subtihend. Then if your answer is minuend, then your answer is correct. Okay. Now here, so in activity 5 we have to add the following. First is 3.45, the second decimal is 4.25. First what we have to do? So we have to arrange. Decimals. First decimal 3.45. This is first one. Then second one. First we have to take point. Before number is 4 in ones place, then 2 in tenths and 3 in hundredths place. Then here after decimal 2 places and after decimal we have 2 places. These two are like fractions. Then pad with zeros, no need to add any 0. Okay. And just we have to add 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6. Point after that decimal. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7.68. Okay. Now the second one. First we have to arrange the decimals. 5.3 first one, 5.3. Then after that 11.3. First we have to take a decimal. 11 means 1 in unit place and 1 in tens place. Then 0.3. Then these two are like decimals. After decimal we have 1 place, after decimal we have 1 place. Then just you add 3 plus 3, decimals first, 3 plus 3 6. From right to left we have to add point. Then after that 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6. and here in tens place, here if you want to keep 0, that's your wish, or otherwise 0 plus 1 is 1. 16.6. The next one, first we have to arrange the decimal. 23.123. Then after that decimal we have to write. 45, 2 places, then 456.456. These are like decimals. After decimal we have 3 places, and here also we have 3 places. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. Then after that decimal. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now here 50.213, and after that point first. 54.112. These are like decimals, so no need to add zeros. Now add 3 plus 2, from right to left we have to add. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 4, after that decimal we have to keep. 0 plus 4, if 0 is added with any number, so the number itself only the answer. Then 5 plus 5, total 10. 5 plus 5, 10. This is our answer. Now here first arrange decimals. 10.34, then again decimal. 19.67. Now add. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 ones means 1 ones and 1 tens. Take carry over on tens. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 tens means 0 tens and 1 hundreds. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 10 ones, 10 and borrow here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. In this way we have to take a decimal here. 30.01. 30.01. Okay. Now the next, first we have to arrange these decimals. 123.432. This is over. Next, after that decimal place. 231. 231.345. Then after that again decimal point here. 5.115. These are the decimal, like decimals, just you add. Okay. If you want to keep here zeros, that's your wish. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 means 2 here, and 1 we have to take carry over on hundredths place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 hundredths. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And after that decimal. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 359.892. Okay. So in this, after that one more question is left, that similar question that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now subtract the following. So here 2 decimals there. So then how to subtract? First we have to write the decimals in order. 2.9, then after that point 0 and 5. These two are like decimals. No need to add up zeros. Now subtract 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 2.4. 2.4. Then after that, first 1.4. Then after that decimal point. Here 0. After that 0, 5. Here after decimal we have one place, and after decimal here we have two places. So here we have to add one 0 like this. Now these two are like decimals. Now we have to subtract. First we have to take carry here. Here it will get 3 and here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 0, 3. Then after that decimal. 1 minus 0, 1. 1.35. 1.35. Next 7.5. Then after that point 0.07. Now subtract, minus. Add up zeros. Here one decimal place, here we have two decimal place. You have to keep one decimal place here. Now borrow here. Here it will get 4, here 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 0, 7. 7.43. 7.43. Now 10.9. Then after that point first 3.901. So add up zeros here. Two zeros we need to make like fraction. First you have to take carry here, it will get 8 and here will get 10. And again here this is 9 and this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Then after here to here we have to take 10, here 0 and it will get 9, here 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6,999. Not 6,000. 6.999. Okay. Now after that, now then how to do this 5.865 and here 3 means there is no decimal, means 3.000. Now subtract. Now you subtract this. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. 2.865. 2.865. Okay. Now here 16.4, then 4.591. Here add up two zeros to make like fraction. Then take borrow from here, it will get 3, here 10. And from here 9, this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. From here you will get 5, it is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1 and this one. Here it is 0 if you want to take. 11.809. Then here 13.3. Then after that 2.911. Here minus, add up two zeros. So now you take borrow from here. Here you will get 2, here 10. Again from here 9 and here you will get 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here you will get 2, here 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1. 10.389. So in this way we have to subtract when decimal numbers are given. Okay. Now in activity 5, word problems. So first question, Kalyan spends 1.23 hours. 1.23 hours for English, 1.40 hours for maths and 0.39 hours for science. Then how many hours does he spend studying? So total he is asking, means we have to add. First, time spent for English time spends for English. How much time he spends? 1.23 hours. 1.23 hours. Next, time spends for maths. Time spends for maths, that is 1.43. Time spends for science, 0.39 hours. 0.39 hours. Then total, how much time he spends? Add. Total means add. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 5 and take carry over. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10, 10 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3. So 3.05 hours. 3.05 hours. 3 point. Now here time spent for English is 1.23. Time spent for maths is 1.40. 1.4 here 0. 1.40. Time spent for science is 0.39. 0.39. Now you add 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 3, 2, 12. 12 means here 2 will get and here 1. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 8, 9 plus 1 10. Then 3 hours, 3.02 hours. 3.02 hours. Time spent, total time spends for studying for is equal to 3.02 hours. This much time he spends. Okay. Now the second one. Mohini bought tomatoes, chicken, onion respectively. The weight of these items given. So weight of the items. So tomato weight 2.12 kg, onions chicken weight 1.45 kg and onions weight 3.19 kgs. So we have to find total weight. Total weight. So first tomatoes weight. Tomatoes weight is 2.12 kg. This is tomato. Next chicken weight. It is 1.45 kg. Next this is onion weight. Onion weight, how much it is? 3.19 kg. Okay. Now add 9 plus 5, 14 plus 2, 16, 6 and carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. This many kgs. Total weight. Total weight. This is our total weight. This decimal we have to take exactly below, means in one column we have to write in all decimals. Now, so here the third question, a mixture obtained by mixing two products A and B. So the product A weight is given and mixture weight is given. Then what is B weight he is asking, means from the total mixture weight, A weight we have to subtract, then you will get B weight. Okay. So here mixture weight, what is the mixture weight? 988.76 grams. This is mixture weight. A A product weight 8, A product weight is how much? 234.56. Now you subtract, you will get B product weight. 6 minus 6 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. This many grams. This is B product weight. B product weight, this many grams, 754.20. Okay. Okay, students. Okay. Here, next question. David's home is 12.53 miles away from the lake. Home is 12.53 meters away from the lake. And again, here 16.73 miles away from his school. Away from his schools. Home is this many kilometers and the school is this many kilometers away from his home. Then how far? So the distance from school to lake. School to lake, how far he is asking. Means we have to subtract. We have to subtract from lake distance to school distance. Lake school distance, here school distance to lake distance we have to subtract. That means from bigger to smaller we have to subtract. Solution. Distance from home to school. Home to school, how much? 16.73 miles. Then distance from home to lake. What is the distance? 12.53. 12.53. Now we have to find the distance from school to lake. School to lake we have to find. So minus 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 5 2, and after that decimal 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 minus 1 0, no need to take. Then distance from school to lake. Distance from school to lake, it is 4.20 miles, this many miles. Okay. Now next, Kelly scored 56.73 points and Karan scored 74.92 points on a board exam. How many points less did Kelly score than Kiran? So this is Kelly's score and this is Karan's score. So he got more, Karan got more. So then how many less he got, Kelly got? He is asking. Means we have to subtract. First one, Karan score. Karan scored in board exam. How much? 74.92 marks. Okay. Then Kelly scored in board exam. He scored 56.73 marks. Then how many less marks he got, he is asking. Means we have to subtract. I will take Vara, it is 12, it is 8. 12 minus 3 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. After that decimal. Take borrow here 6, it is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1.81. So 18.19 less marks. Kelly scored than Karan. Okay, this many less marks he got. So this many less marks he got from than Karan. So how many? 18.19 less marks. Okay. Now see here. So, in the lab activity, so here in this lab activity, so what is the main aim, main objective of this activity? So, here main objective, main aim of this activity is, so you should know about how to convert fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions, Here some cards are given. So, one is 0.3, other one is 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 0.2, 0.9, 7 by 10. Here 6 cards are given. So, more cards you can prepare, okay, like 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 5 by 10, 1 by 10, 7 by 10, 6 by 10, 0.9, 0.8, 0.3. So, more cards you can prepare, okay. Here 6 cards are given, and after that he has given 2 cars are given and 2 houses are given. First in your class, so you make 2 groups. So, first group they have to select, they have to pick a card from this card, any one card you can pick. So, you can pick, suppose you pick this card 5 by 10. So, what it means 5 by 10, suppose you picked 5 by 10. So, if we convert this 5 by 10, this is a fraction. If this fraction we converted into decimal, then how to convert? 5 tenths, this is 5 tenths, it is nothing but 0.5, 5 tenths means 0.5. Here, so in these cars and in these houses we have 10 boxes. How many boxes? 10 boxes. In first card we have 10 boxes. So, here we have 10 boxes, 10 boxes and 10 boxes. So, in any of these four figures, so you have to shade 5 boxes. How many boxes you have to shade? You have to color 5 boxes. 0.5 or 5 by 10 means 5 boxes you have to shade. Any 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So, this represent 5 by 10. Suppose if other group, so they pick another card, it's like 0.9. So, this card, the another card they pick, that is 0.9. So, what it means? So 9 boxes we have to shade in this remaining 3 pictures, car and these 2 houses. Any, so 0.9 means 9 boxes we have to color. Suppose, so this is first box, second box, third box, fourth box, fifth box, sixth box, seventh box, eighth box and ninth box. Like this we have to shade. So, and who shade first, they will win the game. They wins the game. Okay. 0.5 means 5 by 10 means 0.5. The first group they should shade 5 boxes, and 0.9 means 9 boxes they have to shade. So, this is represent 5 by 10 and this represents 0.9. So, after getting the cards, after picking the cards, they should shade according to the value. 5 boxes, 9 boxes, and after that you should shade that many boxes. Who shade first, they wins the game. Okay. You repeat these games again and again, means other cards you have to pick and again you play this game. Okay.